All right, guys, check it out. Today on American Heritage Garage, got some good news. We finally have hats. Okay, I've been promising those for a long time. So what we're going to do today, we're going to rip into those. So let's get to it. All right, guys, like I said, we finally got hats in. We're gonna break this box open in a second. I'm gonna show you what we're dealing with here. But first I wanna talk about something. I have not been putting any content out on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube, really at all. And I'm kind of bummed out about that, but the timing of life right now has just been really rough. So back several months ago, if you guys have been watching my videos, I mentioned I had some family issues. So now I'm going to disclose exactly what happened just so you guys know. I'll try to make this a long story short. So in November, my father, who is or was 100% completely healthy, never had anything that we knew of wrong with him, had something go on, and it turned out to be a bit of a heart issue. Long story short, they put a pacemaker in right away in November, and they thought that that was going to fix things. And after about 6 months, he had not gotten that much better. And so he went in for a routine doctor's appointment to see if they could keep tweaking and tuning things, and they found 3 complete blockages. So what they ended up doing at the beginning of June was a triple bypass. They fixed some leaky heart valves, and they did a couple other small things. So it's been a long, hard road, and I've been focusing a lot of my attention on taking care of the shop and the property out there. Myself and Jacqueline were supposed to be married, and we were going to have our wedding out there, but due to all the situation, that got postponed, and my sister is getting married out there August 22nd. So I've been doing everything I can to make sure that the place looks good and the landscaping looks good and everything else looks good. So I haven't really spent much time working on cars. I promise you, I'm going to get into this 125% as soon as I get through all of this stuff, most likely come fall. So I have cars out there right now that need to be worked on. My customers understand what's going on, but I know that you guys want to see videos. Again, I appreciate everything you guys have done and all the comments and the support I've gotten so far. And I hope that you guys hang in there with me. And for those of you who have, I truly appreciate that. So with that being said, thank you. And let's talk about these hats. So I'm jumping into the foray of merchandise, okay? Sorry, it's really hot out here, so I need a beer break. But I'm jumping into the foray, and I just want to give it a shot, see what you guys think. I'm working on some designs, working on some different designs. I have my website being made right now, www.americanheritagegarage.com. That'll be up soon. I think I really want to take American Heritage Garage to the next level. We'll see. Time will tell. So anyway, my first jump into this are these hats. You've seen the hats I've worn in some of my videos, and I have that style, and I have a different style for sale. Again, this is a kind of a test run, so I don't have too many, but we'll talk about it as we go. I got my knife here, because it's the only knife I could find. So we're going to bust these open, and we are going to see how nice these turned out. I obviously know what the red, white, and blue style looks like, but I had a different style made. We'll see if I like them as much. So the first style is what you've already seen. Okay, looks like this. I'll get in close, see if I can get the camera to focus. Okay, it looks like that. Okay, it's a snapback trucker style hat. Very nice, high quality. I like them. They seem to fit good. I have roughly, I think I have a couple still in the house. Here I have 15 of these right now. okay, to start. The other style that I have, and I only have 4 of these, okay, and these turned out a lot better than I thought they were going to. I really, really like these, okay. Again, going back, I'm always out of focus there. So these are with the American flag back, okay, freaking awesome. They turned out awesome, okay. Let me get my focus back. So here's where we're at, okay. 2 hats, freaking awesome. I like them both a lot, okay. So these are gonna go for 25 bucks each, okay. Shipping, I have no idea. It might be something extra. I'm new to this, okay. So we'll figure all that out. I'm not gonna kill anybody on shipping. So $25 for these. We're gonna go $35, no. You know what, $30 for these, okay? So 25 and 30. I only have 4 of these, okay? I got like 16 or 17 of these, okay? So this is just a start. I have some other things in the works. I have some people that I'm working with, some different designs, some different things like that, all right? This is just a start. So anyway, you can pick what you want, pause the video, rewind it, listen to what I had to say about it. 25 for the red, white, and blue ones, 30 for the ones with the flag on the back, okay? Here's the deal. I have like PayPal, Venmo, Google Pay, Facebook Pay, whatever you want to do, okay? Right now, the website, again, is not set up yet, so none of this stuff is on there, but it's gonna be. It's gonna be soon. So for right now, we're going to stick with the standard like app pay, like I said, Google Pay, Venmo, Facebook Pay, PayPal, whatever. Here's what I want you to do. Go on Facebook, AmericanHeritageGarage.com, or excuse me, American Heritage Garage on Facebook. It's American_Heritage_Garage on Instagram. Those are the only 2 social media platforms I have. Find me, follow me, send me a direct message. We'll figure out how you want to pay me. I'll ship you a hat. Okay, I'm gonna have shirts, hoodies, button-ups, freaking zip-ups. I don't know. I'm gonna have all kinds of shit when it comes down to that coming up. Okay, I gotta figure this out, get it all designed up. I promise you, I'm gonna be back in the shop pretty soon. I'm gonna have cars coming up. I got a '78 Corvette. I got an '85 Corvette. I don't even like Corvettes, but people keep calling me with Corvettes, so I'm gonna do some work on Corvettes. The '60 Cadillac sitting in the garage here. It doesn't start anymore. Figures. I think the fuel pump took a crap. Brand new fuel pump. And I got a brand new video on the '60 Cadillac's first run, which is funny because it doesn't run right now, but it did. That's coming up soon, I promise, okay? It's all edited. I just got to get it up on YouTube. This video is going to come up first. That one's coming up next. I still have some stuff from the '40 Chevy. I got some other stuff that I'm going to put out while I'm in the meantime here, but I have new content coming. Guys, I appreciate you sticking with me. For those of you who are interested, please find me on social media. If you know me personally, get a hold of me and we'll work it out. I appreciate you guys all so much. This has been kind of like a dream for me to have my own shop, to get my own thing going. YouTube and Instagram and the social media world is just a different aspect of things. So thanks for everybody who watches, subscribes, likes, comments, talks to me, has positive feedback, has negative feedback. I appreciate it. If you want one of these hats, get a hold of me. Facebook, Instagram, American Heritage Garage. As always, until next time, we'll see you out here at American Heritage Garage.